5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
Insane, don't stand near the thing.
I will crush you!
Sorry, I don't know. I'm doing wrong.
You're still a bit close.
Beware.
A bit close is, if it's not in the range, it's fine.
Bomb bag, guys. Okay, Insane, go to the other side.
I'm getting procs galore on my faucet. Oh, it's nice.
Beware. Destruction. Call in more security.
Purple.
We all got blues done as well. Good job. Get to purple.
Beware.
The Fury has broken free! Quick! Get it under control!
Warlord, we have it under control!
Destruction. Turn up the heat, boys! We'll sweat them out!
I'm using a channeled mana.
Beware.
Come on, get bombs out of melee. Don't stand in their DPS and put a bomb on your head.
Come on, get the elemental on.
Says I've got fixate, but it's just not me.
Yeah, you have to interrupt it.
Beware.
Oh.
Okay, kill that slag elemental.
Gotta go pick up the security guard.
Incoming primal. Nuke primal. All on primal.
Beware.
Not security guard.
Should I tank the fire callers on top of the elementalist?
You can get a try, but as long as people are targeting, okay.
The security guards together.
3.
Beware.
Then I can touch of death, namely.
Yeah.
Alright, good job, fire callers.
If I keep the security guards out of the way. You're gonna have to deal with shields. Just drop the fire caller.
Okay, elemental.
Don't kill it,
Get it on, get it on.
Get the other.
Primal, go, primal.
Just ask someone with good cleave DPS just to come on the security guards every once in a while. Just help bring them down.
Not while there's a primal up anyway.
Yeah, of
Let's
course.
pull them together after this primal. Let's just take everything together after this.
3,
Yeah, alright.
2, 1.
No problem with that.
Good job, kill everything.
Come over here, Limi.
I'm alright.
Beware.
We're here.
5, 4, 3.
Raid should be switching sides now.
Go into centre.
I got one on already.
Beware.
5,
Move it round.
3.
Say when you're happy with the amount of ads, Helmy, because we're just getting bigger and bigger waves. We need to get through this phase as soon as possible.
Yeah, do it.
Okay, slag elemental.
20%.
Only one security guard left now.
Primal, go primal.
Primal.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
One cast got off.
Right. Focus on the dispels now.
Beware.
We got it? Yes.
4,
Clear up the fire callers.
2, 1.
They do need clearing down.
Beware.
Okay, get us an elemental on. Kill it.
Beware.
Oh dear. Don't kill it yet. Oh no.
Primal, go.
Primal.
Just using a potion.
Beware.
Alright, I have a blue marker on my head. I'm going to be standing on the blue side. Raid needs to join me. We'll pull in the boss to where this elementalist is now. The primal.
Don't move there with a thing. With an
Jump,
area.
you take the boss first. I'll swap with it 3 stacks.
Come on, more
Yeah, okay.
DPS on the prime.
A lot more. Why have we slacked on the last one?
We need another elemental.
You get an elemental on now. Quickly.
5,
Anyone?
4, 3,
Kill it.
2, 1.
Use amp magics and anything to just keep us up.
Kill the elemental. Come on, elementalist.
Beware.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, going into phase 4. Get ready.
Heal everyone up.
Tied down.
Get
Move
red
in.
up quickly.
Move in, melt to the right. Melt
Get
to
up,
the
get
right.
up.
Get the ads down. As soon as the ads are down, we'll heroism.
3, 2, 1.
How many stacks have you got?
2.
Heroism him now.
Or heal chuck. Got boss.
Oh, I'm dead. Rest me.
Yeah, resin.
Beware.
Defensives.
Moves to the left.
Beware.
Make sure we've always got room to move melts to the right.
Lads up. Ah, they're all dead.
Got boss.
Beware.
I'm tiding.
My stacks will be gone in 7 seconds. Let's move. Move him back a bit.
I need heals before I can move him. Ice blocked in the melt. I ain't coming out.
Got boss.
Beware.
Come on, move up.
Bad melt move.
Melt, move.
Whenever you use the next healing cooldown, call it out. I've got an amp magic ready.
Lexus, use tide.
And magic used.
I'm doing a tactical ank, don't heal me.
Beware.
Have boss.
I'm dead. Right, keep it up. There's a big melt move right to the left, right
Come
to
on,
the
move
left.
out of
Big
the melt,
heals,
out of
big
the-
heals.
Beware.
Move out of
Take
that
heals
way.
on tanks.
There's
Yeah,
someone
you've
back
lost-
here as well. Get
Yeah,
some
you can go right up to the back.
Beware.
How long till?
2 minutes. And all the damage reduction you've got. If you've not used your health stone, use it now.
I'm dead. You have to solo tank the last part.
Come on.
Tied down.
Got one healer.
Nuke!
Save as your tank.
Got a big cooldown coming off in a second. Okay, it's running.
Oh, keep the DPS up.
Run out of the melt. Don't stand in the melt. Just run out of it.
Come on, Sham, you imber piece of crap. Heal him. 2%. Come on. 1%. 500k. 3, 2, 1. Kill.
Yay! Good job, guys.
Tactical Ank is best rank.
Fuck, we don't have to do that again until tomorrow.
I like that. Until tomorrow. Yeah.